Commodities have now been the best performing asset class of 2021, 2022, and 2023, making it a third consecutive year that has seen a total of 27 commodities, ranging from the metals to the energies to agriculture, tallying up astronomical double to triple digit gains, outperforming every other asset class out there. As we head into 2024, that trend is definitely set to continue. Since 2020, everyone from Goldman Sachs to JP Morgan to Bank of America, they have predicted the start of a new commodity super cycle. The traders that saw the opportunity and took action, they have accumulated life-changing wealth. The majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, they've made in excess of 6 and 7 figures in the last year, and here are just some of the testimonials which have been coming in from our clients, sharing their successes and achievements. Is the super cycle over, and has all the money already been made? Not by a long shot. According to Goldman Sachs, the macroeconomic backdrop for commodities in 2024, it's looking more bullish than ever, ultimately indicating that we could be on the verge of another blockbuster year ahead. In a note to their clients, the bank's analysis, they wrote the setup for commodities in 2024, it's more bullish than it's ever been since they first highlighted the super cycle in late 2020. Wall Street banks concluded by reconfirming their view that we're still in the first inning of a multi-year, potential decade-long commodity super cycle, and they're certainly not alone. Right now, we see more and more of the world's most powerful Wall Street banks releasing their 2024 forecast with extremely bullish calls for commodity prices to hit fresh record highs in the years ahead, fueled by a multitude of macroeconomic factors, which include a peak in the US dollar, escalating geopolitical risk with two major wars currently ongoing in Europe and the Middle East, national elections taking place in over 40 countries, including the United States, the global push towards green energy and carbon neutral policies, which will almost certainly play a critical role in supercharging demand for the world's highly essential commodities such as aluminium, copper, cobalt, nickel, lithium, palladium, platinum, silver, uranium, zinc, and rare earth metals. And last but definitely not least, the long-awaited pivot away from aggressive interest rate hikes to bigger than expected rate cuts throughout 2024. Whichever way you look at it, one thing is certainly clear. All of these macro and geopolitical events that are currently unfolding, they're guaranteed to be a license to print money and drive market sentiment throughout 2024, which traders will not want to miss out on. If history is anything to go by, then the stage is almost certainly set for commodity prices to outperform every other asset class out there for a fourth consecutive year running. There's no question that extraordinary times, they create extraordinary opportunities. Right now, as traders, we are living in some of the most exciting and rewarding times ever in history. Whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that's to create a full-time income, a second replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, now is the time to take action to give yourself the gift of a better 2024. Right now, you've got opportunities to make 2024 your biggest and best year yet, which based on our research, it's going to be another record-setting year due to all the macroeconomic events that are currently brewing on the horizon. It's times like these that make millionaires and billionaires out of regular people. Definitely do not underestimate what you can achieve in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even 12 months from now. Your future, it is determined by the choices that you make today. You can either make 2024 your best year ever or just another year. You have an opportunity right now to change the course of your entire life and unlock the door to a better financial future. Here at the Gold and Silver Club, we're consistently banking over 10,000 points profit per month, which we've been transparently documenting through our weekly videos. If you're trading at one lot, that's $100,000, and if you're trading at 10 lots, that's $1 million. As you can see from our testimonials, the majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, utilizing our proprietary research-driven approach, they're already making in excess of 6 and 7 figure annual returns. If you want to make 2024 your best year ever, then go to jointhegoldandsilverclub.com now to learn how our mentorship program can take your trading to the next level. Investing in yourself is the best investment you will ever make. Make investing in yourself a priority because nobody else is going to do that for you. So with that, let's move over to the charts and we'll talk you through exactly what we're looking at here as we move into a new week and as we kick off 2024. So firstly, just moving over to gold. As you know, in the lead up to the FOMC statement into the middle of December with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, in fact, off the back of the biggest breakout in 15 years, off the back of an FOMC statement, which was essentially a 750-point move here. In just over 24 hours, we were able to scale out and bank 10,000 points profit over a combination of gold trades, which we had 25 positions on this market, alongside palladium trades, where we had a 25% breakout within the matter of 1 week, alongside our platinum trades also, which broke out to $1,030 per ounce, also on crude oil, which broke out back towards $75 per barrel, and silver as well, which ended up breaking out towards $24.50. So as you know, over December, we banged the drum with you, massive opportunities to be had to start building into these positions, particularly when we broke back below $2,000 per ounce. We urged you that this was a massive buy opportunity to get into gold under $2,000 per ounce. Now, over the month of December, gold prices, they broke out all the way up to 2,087 US dollars per ounce. So that's enabled us to continue to bank on strength, not only on gold, but also doing that on palladium. In fact, from low to high over the month of December here, we actually broke out over 3,000 points to the upside. On palladium, it was a 25% breakout within the matter of 1 week. You, of course, remember what we discussed with you over the month of December, that palladium was an absolute phenomenal buy opportunity below $1,000 per ounce, and in fact down towards $950, $940 would be a tremendous opportunity that we were not expecting palladium to spend long at all at those prices. And in fact, we had that massive impulse move higher over the middle of December, a slingshot move all the way up to 1,260 US dollars per ounce. So of course, I hope that many of you were able to capitalize on that. Not only this market, but also crude oil as well. That's offered multiple opportunities to trade the range. Every time we've come back down towards $69 per barrel, even last week as well, it's offered a phenomenal opportunity to get back in to this market, rinse and repeat, buy low and sell high. Just in the first week of December, we've entered into 6 new trades on crude oil. Every one of those positions is in profit into the close on Friday. We took the opportunity, especially when the price broke down to $70 per barrel at the start of last week, to build into multiple positions in this market and continue to stack those trades out. So oil has been a phenomenal mover as well over the month of December and even into the first week of January. With respect to opportunities that I see in the market right now, I like silver at $23 per ounce or lower. So again, silver at this price point, I do like. Oil prices back down towards $70 per barrel or lower. This would be the sort of price that I would be looking at to add into further trades. Now with gold, as you know, we're fully stacked on this position. The main game plan here, all of these trades are protected, is to continue to bank on strength, particularly if we get a break back out towards the price swing highs. As you know, we banged the drum with you that $2,000 per ounce or lower was a fantastic opportunity over December. The price only stayed 2.5 days below those levels until we finally had a huge impulse move higher off the back of the FOMC statement in the middle of December here. So again, if you snooze, you lose, which you can see a lot of traders out there, unfortunately, have come very late to the party here with gold. They're buying much higher and they've missed a huge move over the month of December where we stacked into multiple positions. At the peak of the stacking process, we built into 25 trades on this market. Again, every single position that we have on gold is now protected. We continue to bank on strength throughout the whole of December. Then, of course, just moving over to platinum as well. Platinum, as you know, we've talked about it multiple times. Massive buy opportunities last year. Each time the price action dipped back below $900 per ounce. It's been rinse and repeat with this market. Buy low, sell high, and continue to do so throughout the whole of the year. Right now, we're back at the upper end of the ranges, where our main plan at the moment and our main action is just to continue to bank here on further acceleration to the upside. Our lowest trades are still up over 1,000 points. Palladium, after we had such a strong move, a 25% breakout into the middle of December, we've now had a lovely pullback here. In fact, over a 2,000 point move all the way back down towards the price swing lows here. So again, I like at the current prices down towards $1,000 per ounce or lower. And whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that's to create a full-time income, a second or replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, now is the time to take action to give yourself the gift of a better 2024. If you want to maximize your money-making potential and thrive, not just survive in these fast-moving markets, then you need to adapt your strategy to the current market conditions and, most importantly, utilize a professional, research-driven approach. One of the biggest obstacles that holds back 99% of retail traders from achieving their desired success is not having access to the correct professional strategies, institutional level data, and market intelligence to make confident decisions with accuracy and certainty. There's a huge gap between the top 1% of professional traders and the bottom 99% of misguided retail traders who simply rely on outdated technical analysis and gimmicky technical indicators that do not work in these markets. If you want to get yourself out of the bottom 99% and into the top 1% who are actually crushing it and making 6, 7, and 8-figure returns in these markets right now, then you need to utilize a professional, research-driven approach, or you'll just end up wasting lots of time, money, and effort, and you'll have no results to show for all of your hard work. In these rapidly changing markets, you need to be constantly innovating and evolving. Technical analysis, outdated technical indicators, they won't work. Those days, they're long gone. If that's all you're relying on, the odds are already massively stacked up against you. If you want to change your results, then you have to change your thinking. If you want to learn our exclusive research-driven approach that is never taught to retail traders and only reserved for professional traders in the banks, the hedge funds, with access to powerful game-changing insights, including where the banks and hedge funds where they're buying and selling in real time, alongside the key liquidity zones, so you can enter and exit the markets with pinpoint precision, alongside the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the capital flows, the daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly real-time data-driven cycles and intermarket correlations, then you need to join our mentorship program. As we head into a new year, we are in one of the greatest eras of wealth creation the world has seen. If you want to successfully capitalize on the huge money-making opportunities ahead and build significant life-changing wealth, there's no better time than now. If you want to upgrade your income, then you have to upgrade your skills. Never underestimate what you can achieve in the next 3, 6, or even 12 months from now with the right guidance and mentorship. Time is the most valuable commodity that we have. Make sure that you don't waste it. If you want to join our community of successful traders and take your trading to the next level, there is an opportunity for you to do so. As a member, you get access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You get access to real-time trade ideas, access to institutional research and market intelligence, access to our private Members Academy website, and also support and one-to-one mentoring. For more information, just go to www.jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description, so just click on the link, make an application, and we will get in touch with you ASAP.